Yoga is the art of living in harmony with nature, your body, and your soul. In the gentle embrace of nature, we find a sacred space to connect with the universe around us. Through each mindful breath, every graceful movement, we honor and celebrate the incredible vessel that is our body. Yoga is the bridge to inner serenity, a path that leads us to the depths of our soul. As we flow with the rhythm of our breath, we become one with the rhythms of nature. Yoga is not just a practice, it's a way of life, a beautiful journey of harmony with nature, your body, and your soul.